If you want to upload UGC to the Roblox marketplace, you gotta stay under 4000 tries. So today I'm showing you 4 easy techniques you can use on your next model to lower that poly count fast. I have this model which has too many tries. So we can check it out. First of all, let's check the statistic under overlays. Just go here and check the statistics so we can see on how many tries are we on. Currently we are on 19k. That's too much. So I'm gonna show you some techniques that can massively lower your poly count. So the first technique is to dissolve unnecessary edges. We're gonna select, I don't know, this part, go to edit mode, and we're gonna look for edges that we don't need. Usually that edges are on the flat surface. So I can go to and just find those edges and dissolve them. So in that case, we don't need that edge. So press Alt and click on the edge, and just press X and dissolve edge. And that's it. We're gonna repeat that for all the edges that are unnecessary. Now let's select these ear cups, or I don't know what are these called. So go to edit mode, same process as before, and just find those edges that are on the flat surface like that. So just dissolve them because we don't need those. Alt and click X and dissolve edges. That's it for that. Here we don't need that edge. Here and there's a lot of edges that are unnecessary, so we don't need that one. And here is messy, so we don't need that one. Just dissolve edge. That one, we need this one to hold up the geometry, so we don't need all the geometry, so we can delete this, we can delete this edge, this, every other. So this one, I'm holding shift by the way, to select the multiple edges, and alt. Done. That one. So the next technique is deleting the hidden faces. So if there are any faces that nowhere we see in the game, we just don't need them. So we're going to switch to X-ray mode, which is here, and we can see that this part is poking into these ear cups. So we can just go to side view and delete this part of it. Click on this part, go to edit mode, press on X-ray mode, then choose face selection and just select this part, press X and delete faces. And you won't have this part. We also don't need this part. We can go here and press select circle. We can just, with face selection, we can just select these faces and press X and delete faces. And we deleted the hidden faces. This part is also poking into the other face. For this one also we can go to wireframe, go to edit mode, face selection. With that select circle tool we can just paint all the faces that we don't need. Then just press X and delete. We go back to solid view. We can see the mesh is there, but unnecessary faces are deleted. Third technique is using the decimate modifier. So for that one, I don't know, just select, in my case I will select this ear, go to property tab, click on add modifier, type decimate, and that's it. So let's just, you can adjust the ratio from 1 to 0, so you can see that the topology is changing. But you can switch into wireframe, so you can see how topology changes in real time. But yeah, it really messes up your topology, so I don't really recommend it. But if you're desperate and you need to lower your TRIS very fast, that's the way. But I don't recommend it. You can see the topology is very messed up, so I don't recommend that. So the fourth technique is merging by distance. So if you got vertices that are really close together, you can clean them up fast, and most of the time you won't even notice that they were there. So let's select the mesh, go to edit mode. We can use vertex selection right here. Select all with A, press M and merge it by distance. So we can see we removed 66 vertices. And that's it. With these 4 techniques you can cut your poly count way down and make your model Roblox ready. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like that.